Well, hello guys. So for today's show, we got something very interesting called physics. Hello, my friend. Well, I'm here with my boy Austin, and yeah, we're gonna do the video today. So just wait, okay? Hello, my friend. Ooh, that was the Doppler effect, or the Doppler effect, however you say it. As the waves move closer from each other and then farther away from you. I think that's how it is. Well, that's one.
I got this rope hooked up to my hood, moving up and down. How fast I move it is how fast the frequency goes. This is a sound wave. The faster I move it, the higher pitch the sound wave would have. Very top of the wave is the crest, the bottom is the trough. Halfway that distance is the amplitude. Right, Eric?
Yes, I approve this message.
All right, Eric, start the beat.
Hello, my friend. Right here, you can hear the beat of like when you listen to songs and then you hear the beat. That's what that's the tempo that people follow. So you can just play stuff in that beat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Okay. So, I think we were in echo. Yes, that's what it is. So you see we have a piano here, and sometimes when you play, you hear stuff like this. You hear that? It's like I play one time, and then it comes back many times. Yeah, that's echo. That's
Yeah, it's echo.
ready?
Yeah.
As you see right here, we still have the same piano, and I'm gonna show you a really good example of resonance. So you see right here, there's to my right, there's a really high note. I can play D. It's really high. Now listen what happens when I hit a D on my left. It's super low, right? Yes.
Yes.
Wow, that's a nice example of decibel. Good job, Austin.
Thank you.
Well, this is it. Thank you so much. Got my boy Austin here. Yes. Thank you for watching. It's been a great time. Stay tuned for more. Go.
Alright, I got this rope here hooked up to my hood.
Set. Go. Oh, hello. So, for today's show, we got for you something called...
On today's show.
Already said.